अमेरिका में एक स्कूल था, रियल स्टोरी से मैं ये रैप अप कर रहा हूँ। अमेरिका में एक स्कूल था और इस स्कूल में एक टीचर थी, उनका नाम था मिसेस थॉमसन। क्या नाम था? मिसेस थॉमसन। मिसेस थॉमसन was making the progress reports of the students. उनमें एक स्टूडेंट था, उसका नाम था टेडी। क्या नाम था? टेडी। टेडी was the student who was falling behind other students. He got failed, and there were only negative remarks and comments for Teddy in the report. When the report cards were sent to the administrator, and he went through all the report cards and progress reports and saw all the comments. So what he noticed that Teddy is the only student in the class, and that was standard 3. That was class 3. So Teddy is the only student. For him, there is nothing positive to say, to write. So he asked the Mrs. Thompson that why have you mentioned all the negative comments for Teddy? Is there nothing to write something positive for Teddy? What she answered? So she has nothing. She is untidy. He is untidy. Teddy is unpunctual. Teddy is irregular. Teddy doesn't answer me. Teddy doesn't obtain good marks. Teddy is that. Teddy is that. Teddy is that. Okay? She came back to start teaching the students usually. फिर अगले दिन क्या हुआ कि मास्टर साहब, हेड मास्टर, प्रिंसिपल ने टीचर को बुलाया, मिसेस थॉमसन को ऑफिस में बिठाया और स्टैंडर्ड 1, स्टैंडर्ड 2 की टेडी की रिपोर्ट निकालकर बोले ना यार, निकालकर सामने रखी मिसेस थॉमसन के. When Mrs. Thompson opened the report cards, progress reports of Teddy, she was stunned to see that in standard 1 and in standard 2, Teddy was the most intelligent, the brightest student of the class. She was stunned to see that how is it possible. Then he had to investigate the history, the background of Teddy. What she came to know after investigating about Teddy, that last year, due to cancer, blood cancer, his mother died. उसकी माँ का इंतकाल हो गया 3 महीने पहले, 3 months before. और वो जो और 6 months थे उसमें वो she was seriously ill and hospitalized. So that's why there was nobody at home who could pay attention to Teddy and who could do something well in the class. That's why now this is written in the progress report. There is nothing to write something positive about Teddy in the progress report. This is the result after 6 to 8 months after the death of her mother or the illness of her mother. She was very sorry for that. She came back to the class, and I want to share something very good, very unique. This was the routine of Mrs. Thompson to come to the class and started or began the class saying, "Hello, love you all. Hello, love you all." What she said later, she said that whenever I went to my class, I always began my class with "love you all." But I knew very well that I was totally lying, because I was not loving anybody, especially Teddy. There was nothing, something respect or love for Teddy, especially because he was untidy, he was irregular, he was that. But that was the first time when I started my class next day with "love you all." So Teddy was the only child जिसके लिए मैं love feel कर रही थी. Because I was sorry for him, he was the brightest student of previous standards, but now he is falling behind. Why? Because the innocent child has lost his mother. उसकी मदर अब उसके पास नहीं. उन्होंने क्या करा? अटेंशन देनी शुरू कर दी. अब याद ये सुनिएगा, इस पूरी जो स्टोरी हमने जितना लेक्चर दिया था उसकी समरी भी आपको इस स्टोरी में मिल रही है. अब वो क्लास जहां टेडी का कोई नाम लेना पसंद नहीं करता था, उस क्लास में सबसे ज्यादा अटेंशन किसको मिल रही थी? टेडी को सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस, रिस्पेक्ट और लव मिलने की देर थी. जब फाइनल डे आया तो टेडी वाज द वन हु ऑब्टेन्ड द हाईएस्ट मार्क्स इन द क्लास. Highest marks in the class. And this was the last academic day academic day, last academic day of the year. So there were gifts being kept on the table for Mrs. Thompson. Do you know there were some wonderful gifts with wonderful packings and wrapping, but he took out a gift wrapped with an old newspaper, looking very awkward, okay, untidy. But as far as the sixth sense of teacher is concerned, she knew very well that this gift is kept by Daddy, so that's why she started opening it. When she opened that gift, so there was a big laughter in the class. All the students started laughing at Daddy. Why? What was the gift he gave to his teacher when she opened the wrapper? So there was a half-used perfume. There was a half-used perfume bottle. What she did, there was a smile on the face of Mrs. Thompson. He opened it to motivate or encourage Daddy that okay, अपना दिल छोटा ना करो, अपने दिल पर ना लो. तुम वो हो जिसका मैंने सिर्फ गिफ्ट सबसे पहले खोला नहीं है, बल्कि मैं उसको यूज करके स्माइल भी कर रही हूँ, फख्र महसूस कर रही हूँ. जब उन्होंने बोतल खोली और उसकी फ्रेग्रेंस यूज करी, स्प्रे किया, उसके बाद डैडी ने उसको बोला, टीचर, नाउ you smell like my mother. Now you smell like my mother. पहले आपने अपने कैरेक्टर से ये वाज़े किया कि you started behaving like my mother. You started paying attention to me, giving respect and love to me. What I have done, I am the one who has got the highest marks in the class, but I was missing that smell. I used to smell from my mother after using or consuming this perfume. You have provided me this feel that I am feeling that you are smelling like my mother. After the end of each and every academic year, Mrs. Thompson used to receive a letter from Daddy, and there were 3 lines written, Teacher, Mrs. Thompson, I have seen some more effective, good teachers in my life, but you are the best teacher I have ever had. This was a letter she used to receive after the end of each and every academic year. You know, a time came when Daddy completed his PhD. PhD completed किया उसने, और PhD complete करने के बाद, डॉक्टर बनने के बाद, जब वो शादी करने लगा, तो उसने इनविटेशन कार्ड somehow manage करके पता लगाया अपने उस टीचर का. She was very old now and hardly used to manage how to walk and how to sit in the daily routine work or the daily practices. She received that letter और उसने कहा कि teacher, I am Teddy, I am going to get married and I cannot dream getting married without your gracious presence. You have to come. You have to attend my wedding ceremony. Until or unless you come, you don't come, I will never get married. So after receiving such a nice invitation from such a nice student Daddy, Mrs. Thompson couldn't stop herself. What she did, she decided to attend the wedding ceremony. When she joined and entered the hall of wedding hall and was trying to see somehow a chair to sit in the last row, there were 2 volunteers already waiting for Mrs. Thompson. They came to her and asked her, no, you are not supposed to sit here. In the front, there is a special chair waiting for you. She walked alone. Go and what she saw at the chair, there was a label, a special chair with label, and there was written Mrs. Thompson और नीचे लिखा हुआ था my mother. So that was the protocol. That was the protocol given to her. She sat there. Wedding ceremony completed, and after the end of the wedding ceremony, Mrs. थॉमसन के पास वो डैडी अपनी वाइफ को लेकर आया, न्यूली मैरिड वाइफ, और उसको बोला कि मेरी वाइफ है, इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया और अपनी वाइफ को बोला शी इज द टीचर बिकॉज़ ऑफ हर. टेडी, आई एम टेडी, व्हाटएवर आई एम, दैट इज जस्ट बिकॉज़ ऑफ हर. what she answered, what she replied. Mrs. Thompson, Terry, you are absolutely right. But let me say one thing. Whatever I am today, just because of you. Because I was just a formal teacher. I used to fulfill the formalities, went to the classes and finished the lesson, and that's it. And you are the only student who made me realize that a teacher can never be a teacher until or unless she is a mother. Until or unless she is a mother. So I was a teacher and Daddy was my student who made me mother for all students. And later on, she used to teach her students as a mother, not as a teacher. So what I said finally, that if you are teaching in Al-Sufa Academy and if you have realized the importance of a teacher, I beg to all of you not to join back from Monday Al-Sufa Academy your classes as a teacher, but all of you are supposed to join your classes as a mother.